Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to change lock screen on iOS 16. So let's open settings at first, then find and select wallpaper, and now click on customize. So just tap here, this is your lock screen, and tap on customize. And here you can do several things. So obviously you can change the picture by tapping over here. You can apply one from your own pictures. You can also use one from default wallpapers. Then you can change the font and color of date and time. Let me choose, for example, this one and this font. It's just the same with your date and time. As you can see, it has been already applied. And here you can also change the Enfold that is displayed, so you can, for example, add fitness up here instead of the whole date and time. But as you can see, it's up to you, so you can customize it however you wish. Then you can also add some more widgets here, and let me add, for example, battery here this way, and then we can enter news as well. And let me leave it this way, so I wish to have it like this. Let me maybe just change the color palette to color wash. So this is how my lock screen looks from now on. To save it, just tap on done. And this is it. This is how you can customize your lock screen. Here you've got it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.